In the diagram above, OA and OC are of length 1 and subtend an angle X at O. The angle BAO is a right angle, and the circular arc from A to C, centered at O, is also drawn. Okay. Right, we're given part of a circle, basically. By consideration of various areas in the diagram above, show for 0 less than x less than pi over 2 that x cos x is less than sine x is less than x. Okay, so let's draw this figure. Okay. So this length is 1. This length is also 1 from O to C. And we want to show x cos x is less than sine x is less than x. Okay, so x is in fact equal to the area of circular sector. Well, no, it's x divided by 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, the area of the circular sector should be the area of the whole circle is pi, and we need to multiply that by what fraction of the angle what fraction of 2 pi is being used. So it's x over 2, right? Okay, so x over 2 is the area of the circular sector. That's, the area bounded by this circular part there. It's like the area of the pie slice. Okay. So sine x is this distance. If I drop down that there, that height is sine x. And this shorter part is equal to cosine x. So what other areas am I worried about here? Okay, well, the area of this triangle here is going to be base times height over 2, which is simply sine x over 2. This area of, what do I want to call this? Area of one triangle. And we clearly have that that triangle there is contained within the circular sector. And so this gives us that sine x is less than x. Okay, so that's one part of our inequality done. And what about x times cos x? This is the same as showing that x is less than sine x over cos x, or that x is less than tan x. And where in this diagram is tan x? It is something like this, right? I'm going to erase the circular arc for a moment. Do we know, if this is equal to tan x, then the area of the large triangle is tan x over 2. Okay, yeah. I think we can probably show this, right? These two angles are equal. And so that shows that this is in fact a 90-degree angle. So the yellow dot is actually a blue dot. Okay, that's should be able to work that out anyway. So that means that all the triangles here are similar. And BA is the hypotenuse of the triangle, the hypotenuse of that triangle. And so BA okay, no, here's a better way of thinking, of seeing this. I'm not going to use similarity of triangles. I'm going to use the fact that the slope of this line from the origin, well, the slope of OB is the same as the slope of OC. Okay. The slope of OB is H, because OA, this is the point 10, and the slope of OC is sine x over cos x. Okay, yeah, so the height of this triangle is tan x. And so the area of the large triangle and this is clearly greater than the area, strictly greater than the area of the sector, which is x over 2. So this gives us that x is less than sine x over cos x, so x cos x is less than sine x, which is what we were asked for. And I'll include the original inequality there as well. Okay, so yeah, this, I mean, took a lot longer than I expected to get through this. I didn't want to just assume that this height was tan x. I was fairly sure it is because I've seen diagrams like this before. But, you know, actually showing that I feel like was necessary for this question. Yeah, not too much more to say about this one. Thanks for watching.